Hello, my name is Rahul. I am going to show you how to transfer a large file over TCP socket using Java. I am going to use old code from my previous video uploaded on YouTube over here. TCP socket data transfer without single byte loss using Java. Okay, now go to the project TCP Data Server. Okay, in client worker we need to copy a function from TCP data client, this one. Okay, copy it, paste over here. Okay, now we need to change log error class, logger class instance. Okay, now we need to also copy this function read stream from here to here. Okay, now we need to pass data input stream in this function. Okay, data input stream din. Okay, and change the class name TCP data client over here. Okay, now I am going to show you a logic via a data flow diagram. In this diagram, client will send file name to server and server will create a object of random access file and reply back to client with file pointer. Okay, and client will read file using the file pointers sent by server and send the read buffer back to server. Server will keep sending file pointer until file pointer is equal to file length. Now we are going to implement this logic in Java. Okay, create a object of jFileChooser, jfc is equal to new jFileChooser. Okay, now open dialog jfc dot show open dialog null save return value int dialog value. Okay, now check if it is approved. If dialog value is equal to j file chooser dot approve option. Okay, now store selected file in a variable string not string, it is file data type. File is file target file is equal to gfc dot get selected file. Okay, now we need to update create data packet function. We are going to pass an argument command of type byte array. Byte command, comma. Okay, Now we are going to insert this command into the packet array. Okay, command plus command dot length. Okay, now copy this, paste here, copy command, paste, increment packet position from 0 to initialize length. Okay, now copy this initialize dot length, paste here with plus. Okay, increment packet positions at every line of copy array. Now our code is updated. Now we need to send file name to server. Dout dot write bracket obj dot create data packet. Command is 1254 dot get byte of type UTF-8. Okay, and the data is dot get name dot get bytes of type UTF-8. Okay, now the out dot flush. Okay, now we need to copy this function and paste in here in server code. Okay, now we are going to read the command out of the data packet at server. This command will be read here in 3 bytes. Byte array command buffer is equal to new byte array of length 3. Okay, now copy this, paste here, command buffer length. Okay, now switch integer parse int new string bracket command buffer. Okay, now case 124 break. Okay, we sent command 124 with file name which received at server and converted into integer 124 over here. Okay, now declare a variable of random access file. Random access file rw. Okay, rw is equal to new random access file. Okay, that is we can path where to save it. Okay, home slash Rahul slash downloads. Now plus file name that we sent byte array receive data is equal to this read stream. Just call this read stream. You must go through my previous tutorial. Okay, now copy this new string this. Okay, and the option is RW. Okay, now create a long variable and name current file pointer is equal to 0. Okay, now send file pointer to client d out dot write. Okay, now create packet, data packet. Command is 125. Okay, dot get bytes UTF-8. Okay, and the data is string dot value of long, that is current file pointer. Okay, that is 0 right now. Okay, d out dot flush. Okay, convert it into bytes. Get bytes of UTF-8 character set. That's it. Now go to client. First handle error. Okay, we need to change the class in logger. Okay, here it is. Now our error removed. Now go to the client, TCP data client. Over here we need to first read the bytes, initial byte. Okay, define a loop while with true value. Okay, condition true. Now read a byte, dn dot read is equal to 2. Okay, now read command byte array command buffer is equal to new byte of length 3. Okay, now dn dot read command buffer 0 command buffer dot length. Okay, now we need to read remaining bytes. Byte array receive buffer is equal to obj dot read stream dn. Okay, now switch integer pass in new string bytes receive byte receive buffer. Okay, case 125 break. Okay, it is integer. That's my error. Now we are going to define random access file object. Go to here. Go to new file. Okay. Now declare a long variable to store current file pointer. Long current file pointer is equal to 0. Now store received file pointer in this variable is equal to long dot value of new string byte receive buffer. Okay. Now we need to define a buffer to read from the file and to pass to the socket. Now byte temp buffer is equal to new byte. We need to calculate the length. Okay, int buffer length is equal to w dot length minus current file pointer if less than 2000. Okay, you can define any default length, comma, if less than this, then you need to pass this, else pass 2000. Okay, and the whole is int. As it is long. Okay, if current file pointer not equal to rw dot length. Okay, so rw dot seek file pointer position over here. Okay, now rw dot read. Okay, that is our temp buffer of length 0, temp buffer dot length. Okay, now we have the portion of the file in temp buffer which is going to be right in the socket. D out dot write obj dot create data packet of command 126. Okay, dot get UTF-8. Now, and the data is temp buffer d out dot flush. Now we are going to update server code. Over here, create a new case 126 break. Okay, now rw dot seek, okay, current file pointer, then rw dot write. Receive data. Okay. Okay. Now update the file pointer. Current file pointer is equal to rw dot get file pointer. Okay. Now copy these two lines. All right. Why this error is not initialized? Okay. We initialize it is equal to 0. Okay. Now we are going to stop the server side socket from client side. Okay. How? Here it is. Go to client and define a boolean. Boolean loop break is equal to false. Okay. If current file pointer is equal to the file length, else over here loop break is equal to true. Okay. Now over here, if loop break is equal to true, then break. Before break, we need to send a command to server. Copy this, paste here. That is 127. Okay. With text close. Okay. Now convert it to the bytes. UTF-8. Okay, format it. Now we are going to close the socket. obj client dot close. Okay. When we send this command to server, it will listen it on case 127 break. Okay. If new string receive data is equal to close, then create a boolean loop break is equal to false. Okay. Copy loop break is equal to true. Okay. If loop break is equal to true, then do it over here. Then target socket dot close. Okay, format it, nice and good. Now we print some text to show progress. Go to client. Okay, system dot out dot print line upload percentage current file pointer divided by rw dot length. Okay, that is float. Okay, whole bracket multiply by 100. Okay, plus percentage. Okay, stop server informed socket closed, client socket closed, socket closed. Okay, save, copy this, go to here, download percentage. All right, okay, save it. Now we are going to run the application. First run server, now run client. Select a big file you want to ISO. Okay, it's not running. Let's check for error. Okay, stop it. Now run it again. Now run client, select this and ISO. Our upload started. Here it is. %, 81, 87, 91, 100% incomplete. Now we are going to open it into Archive Manager. File transferred successfully, so it opened successfully. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment or share with your friends. Thank you.